Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to use auto reframe inside Adobe Premiere Pro. Without further ado, let's get started. So basically, right here, we are inside of the Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm still using all panels at the top, all right? And right here, all right, I have a nature montage here. Say, for example, you already done with editing your footage, all right? And you're ready to submit it to your client, all right? Now, as you can see, this video is captured 1080p, 1080p with that 16:9 aspect ratio, right? As you can see, this like a rectangle, right? Say for example, your client requires you to have a video because he will upload it to Instagram or something, to a social media platform that needs to have a square video. All right, so what you can do it manually. All right, but as you can see, my subject here is moving from here and then moving to the middle. All right, and if you have if you have a video that's moving from right here, then right here, or left and right, and then you will the entire video, all right, you will manually select that. Say for example, this is the square. All right, I'll try to crop this. Okay, I'll try to put some crop so that you would know. First, I'm gonna make an adjustment layer here. All right, new item, adjustment layer. Okay, I'm gonna put it here at the top. Okay, and then I'll put some effect. Let's say crop. All right, let's drag it right here. All right, and then I'm gonna do crop this. Say we'll try to replicate the square look, all right, of a video like that. All right, and then we have it right here. Okay, now it's a square footage right now. Okay, as you can see, it's a square footage right now. All right, so if the if your subject is moving, to the very right, all right, sometimes it's really hard for you to manually create a keyframe here, put some position in here, all right, in your footage. Let's try to click position, and then once you play it, all right, it's moving to this one. So what you're gonna do is you can just adjust it to like here in the middle, all right, and adjust it a little bit upward, all right, something like that, and then you play it again. All right, as it moves in the middle. All right, so you get the point. All right, so basically it's going to be a lot of work because you're going to manually track those images. All right, this girl, all right, is moving side by side. You're going to track it manually, all right, because so that he could fit in the square and make sure that he's not on this part of the video, right? That's why these auto reframe, that's a new feature in Adobe Premiere Pro that were releases in the 2020 version. All right, we call that auto reframe, and it's a cool feature of Adobe Premiere Pro wherein it will automatically create the keyframes, all right, for you, and then it will automatically make sure that the subject is in the middle of the shot. All right, all you have to do is to click on sequence and then auto reframe sequence, and this auto reframe sequence will pop up. You can change the sequence name here, all right, and you can do the target aspect ratio. There's a square, vertical, or square 1:1 if you want to do that 1:1, and then a normal 1080p, all right, the normal aspect ratio, and then we have the custom. All right, so basically you can choose what target aspect ratio here on the sequence reframe sequence settings. Click on let's say square 1:1, slower motion, or you can do the default. So, or you can do the faster motion for action, so it will automatically detect the subject, the face, make sure that it's on the middle. All right, so Premiere Pro will detect that to make sure that it will align in the middle even though you're changing the aspect ratio. So click on create in that one, or okay, and then there you have it. Now you have your square footage right there. Once done, Premiere Pro will automatically create those keyframes, automatically detecting and put your subject on the middle. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.